2009 Subaru WRX STI won't start. I bought it as a project that had been stood for about 4 years. If I turn the key, that's all we get. If I type the pin code in the pin code, nothing happens. There's no LED on the pin code. The lights have lit up as soon as you... Nothing, no mileage come up. Nothing on the key. Sometimes, most of the time to be honest, the lights, these lights on the outside haven't come up. Only the red key at the bottom, the oil, battery and diff temperature. I've tried all the fuses. It was having an issue where it was blowing this fuse. I think it was this one and this one. This one, sorry. Which on here it was the meter IG and the unit plus B and the 10 amp backup. But I read online about disconnecting the coil and disconnecting the coil. I disconnected all the coils and then when you put the ignition on, it wouldn't blow them anymore, and I've plugged them all back in now and they stopped blowing. But I can't seem to get any further than this. I don't know if there's any relays, I don't know how to test them, or has anyone else had the same issue? Help is needed.